Hey guys, Georgia Jim. I got a Mako 227. Got this in the mail today. Basically got this just to round out the set because I grabbed the 129 today. Already had the 128 and the 427, so we got the whole family here now. 6-pinner in this one, 7 in this one, with some pretty nasty bitting. But basically I'm playing with everything I can to avoid messing with that Schleg Primus. So yeah, let's get this picked. Let's see, yeah, 40 thousandths. Let's see what this thing's got. I haven't picked this yet. I just got them in the mail a few minutes ago, so all right. Trying to find the pins. There we go. Fumble around. I don't believe I'm hitting anything. Try a gem in here. There we go, now we're finding some pins. There we go. All right. That keyway doesn't really seem that tricky, but for whatever reason, it was kind of hard to get a good feel for the pins with it. So I'll be sure to play with this a little bit more. But yeah, I don't think there's any security pins or anything in this. I didn't feel any kind of false set or anything. So just a quick little pick for you guys. All right, I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. You'll have a good one. Stay safe. Oh yeah, here's the bidding on that key if you want to see it. Nothing crazy, so. Alright guys.